Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from Coz Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I'm fiddling. I truly am fiddling. You know, one thing I don't do very much, or very, very rarely, is use gadgets. And it's okay to use gadgets, you know, like colanders and thingies, marbles. I don't do gadgets much because I just feel like I can't control my pour with them. And I guess I'm a little bit of a control freak. But we were out running errands today, stopped at Starbucks to get an amazing spicy pineapple iced tea that I'm just digging on. Those new iced teas at Starbucks are amazing. I grabbed the wrong size straw while I was there, but this ended up in my bag because I was at Target as well. And I thought, wow, that's a really cool straw. Maybe I can do something with that. So I have some leftovers and I figured, you know what, let's play. There's nothing wrong with playing. So that's what we're doing here. We're going to pour into this straw. I guess it's kind of like a funnel pour. I might even shorten it a little bit, but using all leftovers. Right here we have Amsterdam Acrylics in the Carmine. This is Golden Fluids, Alizarin Crimson Hue, turning into one of my faves. Golden Fluids in the Dyke Brown. Amsterdam Acrylics in the Azo Orange. And Amsterdam Acrylics in the Azo Yellow Deep. Now, I've also got a little bit of a flow extender or a base coat, and that is right here. This is Loft Soft Body in the Black, trying to use this stuff up because I don't swipe with it anymore because it eats up my paints. Now, this paint, and only this paint, funsies, Amsterdam Pouring Medium. 1 part paint to 2.5 parts pouring medium. This pouring medium does some fun things sometimes. The rest of my paints are leftovers and they are mixed with 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium, and every paint got a healthy squirt of golden GAC 800. Let's go ahead and look at the consistency of these paints. They leave a little bit of a trace when they roll off the popsicle stick into the paint below. So I've also wanted to fiddle with my gloss glazing liquid. A lot of times I like to dry swipe, which is basically kind of not dry swipe, and you're painting or you're swiping on a wet surface, but it's usually just a brush painted base coat. So there's no flowing involved. And I figured, you know what? I bet I can get the same effect with the gloss glazing liquid when I don't want to put a color on my canvas, but I want my colors to kind of flow and not roll over each other. Your canvas has tooth to it and it grabs hold of the paint. And if there is not a base coat on your canvas, your paints will kind of roll over each other rather than flow. So I figured I'd give this gloss glazing liquid a try. I'm going to spread it up here in the upper part of the canvas where I'm going to do my straw funnely kind of playing thing that I'm doing. No haters allowed. This is fun. We're fiddling, we're playing. So that's what it's all about, guys. I don't think I have anything else to tell you. Let's just have some fun with this. Let's get busy.
Don't answer the phone, spending the days on my own, then repeats this for weeks to come. I don't care what I miss, 'cause my life is dismissed. I keep searching for my bliss. It took days to find